Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is x minus y. This is equal to 95. Let's call this equation 1. And you have the square root of x plus square root of y. This is equal to 19. Let's call this equation 2. What is the value of x and what is the value of y? Given that x is greater than 0 and that y is also greater than 0. Now, let's prevent the solution here. Now, we have that x is the same thing as square root of x squared. Now, if we say square root of x squared is still the same thing as x, and we can express y as square root of y squared. If you say square root of y squared, this is the same thing as y. Now, we have that in equation 1, which is x minus y. This is equal to 95. So, where we have x, let's substitute with square root of x squared minus y, which is the square root of y squared. This is equal to 95. Now, square root of x squared minus square root of y squared. This is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is the difference of two perfect squares, which you can express as a plus b, a minus b. So from this equation, we have that a is equal to the square root of x, and we have that b is equal to square root of y. So this implies that a plus b, this is the same thing as square root of x plus square root of y. And a minus b, this is equal to square root of x minus square root of y. Therefore, a plus b, this is square root of x plus square root of y. Now, multiplying by a minus b, which is square root of x minus square root of y. This is equal to 95. We have that square root of x plus square root of y. We have the value as 19. This is from equation 2. From equation 2, we have square root of x plus square root of y. This is equal to 19. So let's substitute this value here. So here we have 19 multiplied by square root of x, subtract square root of y. This is equal to 95. Let's divide both sides by 19. Now, if you simplify here, this implies we have square root of x, subtract square root of y. This is equal to, now 95 divided by 19, this is the same thing as 5. Okay, now let's call this equation 3. Now we have equation 3, which is square root of x minus square root of y. This is equal to 5. And equation 2, in this case, is square root of x plus square root of y. And this is equal to 19. This is equation 2. As you can see here. So, let's add, the next step is let's add equation 1. That is equation 3 with equation 2. Let's add these two equations. Now, by adding these two equations, we have the square root of x minus square root of y plus square root of x plus square root of y. This is equal to 5 plus 19. Now, by adding these two equations here, we have square root of x minus square root of y plus square root of x plus square root of y. This is equal to 5 plus 19. So we'll have square root of x plus square root of x. This is 2 square root of x. Then minus square root of y simplifies here. So this is equal to 5 plus 19, which is 24. So let's divide both signs by 2 here, so that square root of x is equal to, this is equal to 12. Now, to solve for x, we square both signs. Let's square here both signs, so that now here we have x is equal to 144. So this is the value of x. Now, to solve for the value of y from equation 1, which is x minus y, this is equal to 95. So we'll have 144 minus y, this is equal to 95. So this implies that y is equal to, that is 144 minus 95, this is equal to 49. So we have the value of y. So this implies that x, y, this is equal to 144, 49. So this is the value of x and y. So the next step, let's verify that the value of x and y satisfies the equation. Now, let's verify that this set of solution satisfies the equation. If you recall, we have that x minus y, this is equal to 95. And you have that the square root of x plus square root of y, this is equal to 19. So let's check if 144 and 49 satisfies the equation. From the first equation here, we will have 144 minus 49. This should give us a value of 95. So 144 subtract 49. So this is actually equal to, so here we have 5. This is 13 minus 4, which is 9. So the set of solutions satisfies the first equation. The second equation is square root of x, which is square root of 144, plus square root of y, which is 49. This is supposed to give us a value of 19. So square root of 144, this is 12, plus square root of 49, this is 7. This should give us a value of 19. 12 plus 7, this is 19, which is equal to 19. So the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this proves that xy satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.